Hi everyone, I'm Carmelita James and welcome to my channel, AsianaBeautea, where I like to spill the tea on anything beautiful. On my channel, I like to create videos to help you look more beautiful, feel more beautiful, surround yourself with beautiful things, and just live a more beautiful life. In today's video, I decided I wanted to play with some eyeshadow, and since it's now officially summer, I wanted to do a summery eye look. So it ended up turning out to be kind of a typical sunset look, which isn't what I necessarily was going for, but I actually really like it. I tested out some new eyeshadow palettes, the Profusion Festival palette and the Profusion Metallics palettes. Both of these palettes I got at Walmart. This Festival one was only $12 and this one was $10. So I'm going to give you my review on these shadows and get this summery eye look. So if you are new to my channel and you like videos about beauty, I would love it if you would check out some of my other videos listed down below. And if you like them, then I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell, because who knows when I will upload the next video. But I will actually be uploading how I got this face makeup in the next video, so make sure to hit that bell. And if you like this video at the end, I would absolutely love it if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you are returning and you are already one of my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and checking out this video. You already know how much I love you and how much you mean to me. So if you want to check out how I got this summery eyeshadow look and my reviews on the Profusion palettes, then stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. I cannot get myself set up today. Okay. And I just realized I just shot pretty much an entire video and I don't know if I ever focused it, so I might be blurry for the whole thing. Oops. Okay, so since it is now officially summer, I figured I wanted to do a really summery look. I did this summery bronzy face look in another video, which will be coming out next. I think I'm going to put that video out second, where I tried a different makeup routine. I tried doing my makeup backwards, but in this video I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I want to do a nice summery look and just play with some makeup. So here we go. I think the main palette that I'm going to be using, again with Profusion, I've been addicted to trying all their palettes. I got so many, so I have multiple videos with them in it. But I figured this would be a good time to use the Festival palette. So lots of colors. And then I'm also going to probably use the metallics and try and probably put some color on top. Maybe. So we're just going to go ahead and play and see what kind of summery eye look we can get. Wish me luck, because I need it. I don't know how to do makeup anymore. I remembered I didn't like that primer, so I don't know which primer I'm going to use. I'm just going to go ahead and try this NYX HD primer. I honestly don't know which primers I like better than others. I really need to start paying more attention to what I use with what and combinations. I've really been trying to keep track of my reviews on every product. I've been a lot better. I've been using Influencer. And I'm gonna be putting a lot of reviews on my Facebook page, I believe, is where I'm gonna put all my reviews. So if you wanna check out those on different products that I try or different makeup methods, or I'll put little tips here and there, or even like DIY and construction and things like that. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of stuff on there. So make sure you come and friend request me at Carmelita James on Facebook, and Twitter and Instagram are also Carmelita James, which I've also been better with, so I'm proud of myself. You know, I'm really old, but I'm proud of myself. I'm finally getting on the social media train. Fingers crossed. I always say that and then I disappear for 4 months. So I'm gonna go in with the Festival palette, and actually this is kind of cool. I don't think you can see it. I can't do it. But on the cover, on top of each shadow, is actually the name. So it's actually kind of cool. Oh, they're actually upside down and backwards. Wait a second. Okay, so when you open it up, then you can actually see the names this way. They go across. And yeah, that's actually kind of cool. I didn't realize they were upside down. I was going to say you'd have to like flip it back and forth, but okay, so that's really cool. So all the names are up here. So I'm going to go ahead and just go all over with the first, just this light color, Winning, which is this one up here in the corner. I'm just kind of set that eye really quick. So I also realized I didn't do my eyebrows, which I never do. I hate doing eyebrows, but I should probably do them really quick. I always tend to go underneath my eye with the lightest one too, just to kind of set any concealer, and it also helps when I go down and blend all the other colors. I don't know, I could totally be making that up, but that's what I do. Okay, I'm gonna actually do my eyebrows really quick. I'm just gonna do them super quick. I actually saw on James Charles's video, he used a very light color on top. So I'm actually doing that with my Marc Jacobs pencil that I got. This is in the shade Ash Brown, which is way too light for me, but I'm going for that summery bronzy look, and James Charles did it, so why can't I? I mean, really, nothing could make my eyebrows look worse, I don't think, because I'm so bad at them that it really doesn't matter. I could probably use blue and they'd actually probably look better than they do on a normal day. I hate eyebrows. I hate them, I just don't know how to do them. Mine are so bad. They're not even sisters, they're not even cousins. I don't even think they're from the same family. I hate eyebrows. So I'm just doing them super quick, just kind of filling them in a little bit. I don't know, is that a little bit better? Maybe? I feel like it's a little too light. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little brush in here. I'm using my Benefit Browsings, and my brush in here that I normally use the powder. I'm not gonna put more powder on it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this, just with that little itty bitty leftover, and see if I can just blend it a little bit better, maybe. God, I hate eyebrows. Okay. I'm sorry, I hate eyebrows. I'm so bad at eyebrows. We're gonna pretend like those don't exist. Yeah, sure, okay, let's move on. So, now I'm gonna go back in here, and I am going to go, I just want to go right in. I'm going to go right in with Sunny's, which is this bright yellow color. And I'm going to go ahead and throw that in my crease. Let's make sure that, I don't think I have a brush cleaner thing. So I'm just going to rub this on a towel because I have nothing else. I think these are all dirty and I don't have my spray brush cleaner. Okay, good enough. Probably not, but we're gonna pretend like it is. Okay, so we're going in with this bright yellow Sunny's. Matches my shirt. And we're gonna go ahead and pat this on and get it right in the crease. I probably should zoom you guys in, but my face looks like crap and I really don't want to. My face is just freaking out and is so mad at me that it just has been so bad. I have not had my face look this bad in years. Years. I don't know what to do. Honestly, I had really bad acne like the end of high school and for a few years after that. And I remember I was trying everything that we could buy in the store, anything I could try, and nothing would work. And I remember I kept telling my mom, because that's when Profusion like first came out and it was on TV and like you had to order it at that time. And I kept telling her, oh, I want to try Proactive, I want to try Proactive. And it took forever for her to let me finally get it. We finally ordered it. I used it and my face cleared up. And honestly, I used it probably for a couple years and then I just stopped using it just because I didn't have any more, and then I just was lazy and never got it again. But my face never broke out again after that. You know, I would get the random, you know, monthly little tiny zit or something here and there, but really, never. And then all of a sudden, just life has been so stressful the past couple months. My face is just freaking out on me. And I don't like it. Really want this yellow, like really bright. So we're just gonna keep going. Honestly, I have no plans. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of playing. I'm playing with lots of bright, summery colors. Just see what happens. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix in some of this pink. It's called Rave. And I'm just gonna go ahead and stick that in the crease as well. also gonna go ahead and put some of this underneath. This is a beautiful face, huh? I should be using my other mirror, but I love this mirror from Amazon. I'm actually gonna link it down below. It's literally such a good mirror. I absolutely love it, and honestly I think it's a dupe for all the other ones that are like $130, even more. They're so expensive. I don't know why a mirror is so expensive, but this one was such a good price and it's such good quality. I absolutely love it. Now I want to go in a little bit deeper, and I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead and go with Festival. It's like this purpley or pink. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead with this shimmery one. It's Groove. I know it has like some shimmer in it, but it's darker, like the color that I want to do. And I want a shimmery look anyway, so whatever. I break all the makeup rules. That's why I don't know how to do makeup anymore. Oh, this color is pretty though. I'm gonna try and keep it on the outside. These aren't really as bright as I was hoping they were gonna be. I feel like that just took most of the pink away, so I'm gonna go back in with the pink. Honestly, I thought these colors would be a little bit brighter. They're very tame. I feel like you can't even really see them on camera. They're really pretty, but it's just, I was hoping they would be way more pigmented than they are. Which is weird because the other Profusion palettes I've used, I feel, are a bit better. Blend these edges. I guess I wasn't really planning on doing this. I feel like this is the typical like sunset look that everyone does, which is not really what I was aiming to do. It just kind of happened, I guess. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow. Okay, I'm gonna try in the metallics. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. It is called Winner. It's like a peachy golden. I'm gonna go ahead and, holy crap. What? Wow. Wow, I was not expecting that to look like that. Holy crap, that is pretty. Oh my god, I barely have to tap in it. Wow. Wow, I love that color. These metallics are bomb. Bomb. I mean, I've only used a couple, but I love them. Okay, and I'm just gonna try and go back in and deepen up the edges just a little bit and blend it. I'm gonna go in with that purple again, Groove. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the outside. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with pink. Over and over and over again. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Blend this, add that, do this color, do that color, do it again, over here, over there, tip tap. Back and forth, over and over and over again. Okay, there's the pink. And then we're gonna go ahead and put that yellow back. Wow. Let's see. What can we do in the inner corner? I'm gonna go ahead and use this gold. I don't know. That's different, but I like that. That is Zenith in the metallics. Barely touched it, and look at the gold. It's crazy. Now I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, I just gotta do underneath. Duh, how could you let me forget to do the underneath, the lower lash line? So I'm pretty much just gonna go back in and do the same thing over. So I'm gonna go with the purple. And then just a little bit of pink to blend it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw on some liner and some lashes, and then I will be back. Okay, so I just went ahead and threw on some liner and some lashes really quick. Boy, has it been a long time since I put lashes on. They might be a little wonky, but I'll keep you far away so you don't notice. So this is my finished eye look. I actually really love it. I hope that it's coming out on camera as good as it's coming out in person. I know my face makeup is kind of crazy. Like I said, I was trying a new makeup routine, reverse makeup application. So if you want to see that video, make sure and hit the notification bell so you see that when I post that. But yeah, this is the finished look. Hopefully I didn't do too bad. I definitely think it's summery. I went ahead and tried one of the new Revlon Bold lipsticks. This is in the color 60 Boss Lady. I'm pretending to be a boss lady, even though I don't remember how to do makeup. But yeah, so this is the finished eye look. Hopefully you like it. If any of you done summery eye looks, I would love to see pictures and see what you did. You can definitely post them on my Facebook page at Carmelita James. I would absolutely love to see your thoughts and your pictures of your summer eye looks. So yeah, that's gonna do it for me today. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. My screen's gonna keep shutting off on me. Everything's gonna keep shutting off on me. Oh yeah, I was gonna make those strawberries. Do you want those like now or no? Oops. Okay, so what do you want? That's the wrong way. So eat one. And I don't like it. Just see what happens. Crap, and I really don't want to.